Laziness is a phenomenon often viewed negatively across various cultures and contexts. However, to truly understand laziness, we need to look at it from different perspectives: psychological, social, and biological. Psychologically, laziness is often linked to a lack of motivation or energy to perform certain activities. Many factors can contribute to someone becoming lazy. Someone experiencing mental or physical exhaustion might feel too tired to complete their daily tasks. Depression and anxiety can also cause a person to lose interest and motivation, making them lazy to others. In this case, laziness is not a choice, but a symptom of a more serious condition. From a social perspective, laziness is frequently labeled as a bad habit. In many cultures, hard work and productivity are highly valued, leading to criticism of those perceived as inactive. However, it is important to remember that what is considered lazy in one culture may differ in another. In some communities, time for rest and relaxation is deemed crucial for individual well-being and social harmony. Here, laziness can be seen as necessary time for self-reflection and recharging energy. Biologically, the human body requires rest. Our bodies and minds are not designed to work continuously. During sleep, for instance, the body performs essential processes such as cell recovery and processing information gathered throughout the day. Lack of adequate rest can lead to chronic fatigue, which in turn can result in prolonged laziness. Therefore, laziness can also be viewed as a natural mechanism reminding us of the importance of rest. Moreover, modern technology plays a role in increasing tendencies toward laziness. With various devices and applications that make our lives easier, many tasks that once required physical effort can now be done with just a few clicks. This makes us increasingly accustomed to convenience and comfort, so when faced with more challenging tasks, we tend to feel lazy about doing them. However, laziness does not always carry a negative connotation. In some situations, laziness can be a source of creativity. When someone feels lazy about following conventional methods to complete tasks, they might seek more efficient and innovative ways. Many great inventions in history stem from a desire to save time and effort. Therefore, a bit of laziness can sometimes drive us to think outside the box and find new solutions. In the context of education and self-development, it is important to teach children and teenagers about time management and the importance of balancing work and rest. Teaching them to recognize signs of fatigue and allowing adequate time for rest can help reduce the negative stigma associated with laziness. On the other hand, providing clear motivation and goals can help them overcome laziness and increase their productivity. Overall, laziness is a complex and multidimensional phenomenon. Although it is often viewed as a bad habit, many factors influence it, and its consequences may not always be negative. By understanding laziness from various perspectives, we can learn to balance productivity and rest, finding ways to stay motivated and creative without neglecting the need for relaxation and self-reflection.